Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're looking at the how-to lady. Yes, so we're going to dive right in and we're going to talk about... Today we're going to share how to do a DIY or a life hack in a snap. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park.
Hello everyone, as indicated in the introduction, today we're going to do a DIY/hack that can be done in a snap. We're going to use these everyday school items to create a great makeup storage piece. Now this can be taken with you on the go, or it can be something that you can just house in your bathroom. It's totally up to you wherever you keep your makeup, but I just think it's a great idea. All those expensive makeup carriers and holders that can cost a pretty penny, this only costs actually pennies. The notebook can be purchased from anywhere. They usually have them for like 97 cents. And of course, the pencil pouches. You can go anywhere and get these pencil pouches. They sometimes come in groups. You can get maybe 2 or 3 for the price of almost nothing. But what we're going to do is, I like the fact that when you get these pencil pouches, that you get the ones that have the clear front on it, because that's going to help you as you store your makeup. I have my makeup and my brushes right over here, and we're going to go ahead and place our brushes in this container. Now that we have our pouches filled, we're going to now place them in the notebook. Be sure to use the 3-ring binder as a means by which to house your pencil pouches / makeup containers inside of the binder. This 3-ring binder secures the pouches and enables you to carry it with you if you'd like. One other good thing is you could also find the binders that zip. Though the zipper binder may be more costly, the wide rings allows you to be able to place more of the makeup pouches inside of the binder. It has various compartments, so you have places where you can place additional makeup. The great thing is these binders come in a variety of colors, pinks, purples, as well. Some of them come with a strap, one that can be handheld or one that can be thrown across the shoulder. It's up to you to decide. Besides the variety of colors and the various compartments that are included in the zipper binder, the main feature is the security of the zipper. The zipper secures your makeup and all your implements in a great storage unit. But to minimize the cost, I will always tell you, we'll go back to the original binder here. This is the least costly. So if cost is your concern, going this route is the best route. Either way, the convenience of carrying your makeup with you is the main objective. And the best part is all of this can be done in a snap. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.